Can artificial intelligence predict your death? A question that might sound straight out of a sci-fi movie, but believe it or not, is grounded in reality. Now, before we jump into the deep end, let's take a step back and look at the broader picture. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, has been making strides at a pace that's nothing short of astounding. From autonomous cars to intelligent personal assistants, AI is everywhere. But one area where it's making a particularly significant impact is in the field of healthcare. AI in healthcare? Yes, you heard it right. The medical field is evolving at a breakneck pace, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution. It's helping physicians make more accurate diagnoses, aiding in drug discovery, even assisting in surgeries. But it's not just about what's happening now. AI's potential extends far beyond the present. This is where predictive analytics comes in. It's a branch of advanced analytics that uses current and historical data to make predictions about future events. In the context of healthcare, this means predicting health risks and diseases before they happen. Imagine a world where diseases like cancer, heart disease, or diabetes could be predicted and prevented before they even show up. That's the power of predictive analytics in healthcare. But does this mean we're moving towards a world where an AI system could predict our death? It's a chilling thought, and one that raises a host of ethical and philosophical questions. But the fact is, the technology is advancing in that direction. So AI can predict diseases, but can it go as far as predicting our death? Let's delve deeper. The application of AI in healthcare has been nothing short of revolutionary. But how exactly does it work? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the game in healthcare, and its functioning can be broken down into three main steps: data collection, algorithm training, and predictive analysis. In the first step, AI systems collect vast amounts of data. This data can come from a variety of sources such as medical records, lab results, and medical imaging. The more data it collects, the more comprehensive the AI's understanding becomes. With each new piece of data, the AI gets a little closer to making a prediction. Then comes the second step: algorithm training. Using all the collected data, the AI system begins to learn. It's like teaching a child to recognize shapes or colors. Only in this case, the AI learns to recognize patterns and correlations in the data. It might find that certain symptoms often lead to a particular disease, or that specific combinations of lab results can indicate an impending health crisis. Finally, we reach the predictive analysis stage. This is where the AI system uses all the information it has learned to make predictions about future health outcomes, and these predictions can be incredibly accurate. Now let's take a real-life example to illustrate this process. Consider Google's AI that predicted heart disease through eye scans. The system was trained on a dataset of retinal images from thousands of patients. It learned to recognize patterns in the images that correlated with heart disease. Then, when presented with a new retinal image, it was able to predict with impressive accuracy whether the person was at risk of heart disease, often long before any other symptoms appeared. This is the power of AI in healthcare. It's not just about diagnosing diseases, but also about predicting them before they happen, giving doctors a head start in treatment. Astonishing, isn't it? The ability of AI to predict diseases. But the question remains, can it predict death? As with all powerful technologies, AI's predictive capabilities have sparked a fair share of controversy. On one hand, the potential benefits of AI predicting death are immense. It could allow us to prepare better, to say our goodbyes, to tie up loose ends. It could also help health professionals tailor more effective treatment plans and improve end-of-life care. But on the other hand, there are significant ethical implications to consider. The first of these is privacy. AI models that predict death rely on a vast amount of personal health data. From medical records to genetic information, these models need to process sensitive data to make accurate predictions. This raises questions about who has access to this information, how it's stored, and how it's protected. In an era where data breaches are all too common, the potential for misuse of such sensitive information is a serious concern. In addition to privacy, there's the issue of accuracy. While AI has made impressive strides in many areas, it's not foolproof. What happens when an AI model makes a mistake? What if it predicts a person's death inaccurately? The consequences could be devastating, both emotionally and physically. For instance, a patient might undergo unnecessary treatments or be subjected to undue stress and anxiety. And that brings us to the psychological impact. Knowing the likely timeline of one's demise can be a heavy burden to bear. It's a deeply personal and sensitive topic, and not everyone may want such knowledge. The psychological distress could be significant, potentially impacting a person's quality of life in their final days. The debate among experts continues, with some championing the life-saving potential of AI while others caution against the potential harm. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. There's a delicate balance to be struck between harnessing the power of AI and respecting individual rights and emotions. While the controversy rages on, there's no denying the profound impact AI could have on our lives and perhaps our deaths. So, what does the future hold for AI in healthcare and its predictive capabilities? The answer is as complex as it is exciting. AI's predictive prowess is constantly being refined and enhanced by ongoing research. Machine learning and deep learning algorithms are becoming increasingly sophisticated, enabling them to analyze vast amounts of health data with unprecedented accuracy. This is a promising development, especially for the management of chronic diseases. Imagine a future where AI systems could predict an individual's risk of developing a chronic illness years in advance, allowing for early intervention and potentially even prevention. This is the potential of AI in personalized healthcare. Furthermore, AI could play a significant role in managing chronic diseases. By continuously analyzing patient data, AI could alert patients and healthcare providers to changes in disease progression, enabling timely intervention and potentially improving patient outcomes. But the future of AI in healthcare isn't just about technological advancement. There is also a continued commitment to addressing ethical concerns. These range from questions about data privacy and security to broader issues about the role of AI in decision-making and the potential for algorithmic bias. Efforts are being made to ensure AI is used responsibly and ethically. This includes developing guidelines for AI use in healthcare, conducting rigorous testing of AI systems, and ensuring transparency in how AI systems make predictions. Moreover, it's crucial that the benefits of AI are accessible to all. This means addressing disparities in health data and ensuring AI systems are trained on diverse datasets to avoid exacerbating health inequalities. In the end, whether or not AI can predict our death remains to be seen, but one thing is for sure: AI's role in healthcare is only set to grow, and with it, its potential to save lives. As we move forward, let's keep our eyes on this fascinating field, always mindful of the incredible potential it holds and the ethical considerations it brings. It's a journey of discovery, and we are all part of it.